While the 2025 Nissan X-Trail has been revealed in some markets, its full details and availability may vary depending on your region. This comparison is based on available information at this time. The new kid on the block, 2025 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. The 2025 Nissan X-Trail, also known as the Rogue in some markets, is set to make a splash with its refreshed design and potential upgrades. While specific details are still emerging, we can expect the following changes. Bold exterior and updated front fascia, likely featuring a new grille and headlight design, will give the X-Trail a more modern and assertive look. Interior refinements. The interior is anticipated to receive subtle enhancements, focusing on improved materials, technology integration, and possibly additional features. Advanced technology. Expect to see the latest driver assistance systems and infotainment features, bringing the X-Trail in line with competitors. Potential powertrain updates. While the core powertrain is likely to remain similar, there's a chance of efficiency improvements or new hybrid/plug-in hybrid options. The proven performer, 2024 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. The 2024 Nissan X-Trail is a solid choice offering a blend of practicality, comfort, and technology. Key features include spacious interior, comfortable seating for 5, with ample cargo space. Fuel-efficient powertrain, a balance of performance and economy. Advanced safety features, Nissan Safety Shield 360 providing essential driver assistance. User-friendly technology, intuitive infotainment system with connectivity options. Comparing the siblings, key differences. While both models share a strong foundation, the 2025 X-Trail aims to elevate the package with fresh styling, a more modern and visually appealing exterior. Technological advancements, updated infotainment and driver assistance features. Potential performance enhancements, improved fuel efficiency or hybrid options. Which one to choose? If you prioritize the latest features and design, the 2025 X-Trail is the way to go. If you're looking for a proven value proposition, the 2024 X-Trail offers a solid package at a potentially lower price point. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and preferences. Would you like to focus on specific features or compare trims and pricing? Please note, as more information about the 2025 X-Trail becomes available, this comparison will be updated accordingly. Exterior design. 2025 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Redesigned front grille with a more aggressive look. Updated LED headlights and taillights for a modern appearance. New alloy wheel designs and available colors. Enhanced aerodynamics for improved efficiency. 2024 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Sleek and stylish design with a V-motion grille. LED headlights and taillights, but with a more conservative design. Several wheel options and color choices. Balanced design focused on practicality. Interior features. 2025 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. New digital instrument cluster and larger infotainment screen. Improved materials and finishes for a more premium feel. Enhanced connectivity features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Updated seating with better ergonomics and comfort. 2024 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Traditional instrument cluster with an analog/digital mix. Infotainment system with a smaller screen. Standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wired. Comfortable seating with decent materials. Performance and efficiency. 2025 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. New hybrid powertrain option for better fuel efficiency. Improved suspension and handling dynamics. Enhanced driving modes for various conditions. Slight increase in horsepower and torque. 2024 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Conventional gasoline engines with good performance. Comfortable ride quality with standard suspension. Standard driving modes, Adequate horsepower and torque for daily driving. Safety and technology. 2025 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, with new features. Enhanced safety package with more standard features. Updated ProPilot Assist with improved capabilities. Additional sensors and cameras for better situational awareness. 2024 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Comprehensive safety features and ADAS. ProPilot Assist available but with fewer features. Good range of standard safety equipment. Reliable performance in safety tests. Pricing and value. 2025 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Slightly higher starting price due to new features and technology. Better value proposition with new hybrid option. Enhanced warranty and maintenance packages. 2024 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Competitive pricing for its segment. Good value with standard features and reliability. Standard warranty and maintenance offerings. Summary. The 2025 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue, brings significant updates in design, technology, and performance, including a new hybrid powertrain option. These updates make it a more attractive option for those looking for the latest features and improved efficiency. On the other hand, the 2024 model remains a solid choice with its practicality, reliability, and competitive pricing. The decision between the two will depend on whether the latest advancements and slightly higher cost of the 2025 model are worth it compared to the already capable 2024 version. Cargo and space. 2025 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Increased cargo capacity with more versatile storage solutions. Improved rear seat folding mechanism for easier access. Slightly more passenger space due to interior redesign. Additional small item storage compartments. 2024 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Adequate cargo space suitable for family needs. Standard rear seat folding for extended cargo area. Comfortable passenger space, though slightly less than the 2025 model. Standard storage compartments. Infotainment and connectivity. 2025 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Upgraded infotainment system with faster response and higher resolution. Wireless charging pad and multiple USB-C ports. Enhanced voice recognition and virtual assistant integration. Over-the-air, OTA, software updates for system improvements. 2024 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Functional infotainment system with standard features. USB-A and USB-C ports for device connectivity. Basic voice recognition capabilities. Manual software updates. Driving experience. 2025 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Smoother and quieter ride with enhanced cabin insulation. Improved steering feedback and handling precision. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality. More refined powertrain options providing better acceleration. 2024 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Comfortable ride quality suitable for daily commutes. Predictable steering and handling performance. Standard cruise control and basic adaptive features. Reliable powertrain with consistent performance. Customization and trim options. 2025 Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Expanded range of trim levels and customization options. Exclusive packages for luxury and off-road capabilities.